Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine open world tutorial series. So today I got a request to implement from one of my viewers in the channel to implement fall damage. So here is the demonstration. So when I fall down from this one, we get damaged. This character is get damaged. Let me show you again. So that's the demonstration, and this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so at the moment I haven't implemented any fall damage, so when I fall down nothing happens to the character. Right, so where do I start to implement this? Okay, let's start by opening this ch human, which is the parent class of the player class, and let's see we do have this OnLanded event. Already implemented. So this is where we should implement fall damage. We should invoke fall damage. So how do we detect if the fall is high enough to do some damage? So to determine that, on this OnLanded event, let's print the velocity of the actor. I only need to get the z value, the vertical velocity. Let's print that in a different color so that we can see if we can use that property to determine the height of the falling. Right, I think you can see here minus 800 minus 200 for a normal jump on fall event gives minus 200, and when I fall it like this, minus 1000. Okay, so we can use this property like this. Let's have some multi-level platforms so that we can test this. Okay, can I climb this? Yeah, I can. Okay, alright. Climbing is not perfect, but don't mind that now. Right now, okay, I'll collapse this part to a macro. No, just not. Let's name it fall damage. I'm gonna keep this one just like before because I need that too. So right, I think I have a damage function somewhere. Yeah, we have a damage macro. Can we use it here? Let's see. let's see how does it work. Do we need to have an attacker here? Okay, so let's try this without thinking anything. So here we don't have attacker, so attacker is ourselves, so let's put self. I don't know will it work or not, but let's just see. And for the health, I'll keep 1 as the damage level. Well, I should do this only if no. Let's divide this by 10. Sorry, because as you just saw, the fall damage, the height, the velocity can take values like -1000, and for a normal jump it is like -200. So for a normal jump I should not do any damage. So yeah, let's, if this one is larger than -500, let's keep it as the threshold. -500. Only if it is larger than -500 we should do damage, otherwise we should not do any damage. So let's determine the damage level by dividing this z value of the velocity. Let's divide it by -10, because we need to have a positive value here, and when I am falling down, the velocity would be minus. Velocity z component of the velocity would be minus because I am falling down. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh, it didn't. Why is that? Yeah, I'm wrong here. If this one is larger than -500, I should not do damage, otherwise I should do damage, because it is smaller than -500 mean it is falling down very faster. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah, as you just saw, I died. And I got some errors as well. Okay, right, for this one. Okay, anyway, so I have slowed down time when killing, when the character is being killed or died, but that's not required here. Get AI controller. Okay, so for the player there would not be an AI controller, so therefore this should be applied only for the NPC Pro controllers. this part is meant only for the PC controllers, therefore let's do a isValid node here before the sound process take place. Otherwise let's skip it. And we do need some sound effects here. We have this grunt. Let's see, where do we use it? Right, let's play some grunt. Play sound, play vocal. That's the method I should use, but if you are following this tutorial for the first time, I'll just show it. It's just a function that I have created with get the actor location, and with the with these two parameters I just play whatever the sound I give here. So that's all to that function. Play vocal, just a simple function I have created before to make it easier for me to work. Okay, I died. Okay, I think the health reduction is too much. I died. Alright, so let's, for the fall damage, let's divide this by -20 instead of 10, so that we can tolerate higher fall levels, like this. Okay, this time I died. And I really need to fix my camera. Okay. So that's how you implement fall damage. And yeah, if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And also you can download the source code update as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.